Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve if the Windows security settings are blank on your Windows 11 computer guys. Let's fix that issue. For that go to search menu and type settings. Open it. Left side select the apps. On right side select installed apps. In here you need to search for Windows security. Here opens up, you just want to click on three dot icon over here and click advanced option. You scroll down. Here is option guys, reset. If this app isn't working right, we can try to repair it. The apps that want it be affected, click on repair. After finishing this, go ahead and open the Windows security app guys. If the problem has been resolved or not. If you not get resolved, if this app isn't working right, reset it. The apps that will be deleted, click on reset guys. Click reset. This will reset back to the Windows security as default. Hopefully this can able to resolve it. And attempt to open Windows security again guys. Before attempting to open it, you just want to go ahead and restart it. After restarting your PC, go and attempt to open the Windows security guys. If the problem didn't resolve, let's fix that issue by scanning up search menu and type cmd guys. Click run as administrator over here. Now check my video description for two commands guys. Copy the first command. Just want to copy it. Tap the bar, right click, eject and paste it in. Press enter. This will use of file checking utility scan guys. Being system scan, this process will take some time. Being verification phase of system scan, this verification need to get 100% guys. This 1% need to get 100%. Wait for it to complete it. After finishing this 100% complete guys, go and copy the next command in my video description link. Copy it and tap the bar, right click, edit it and paste it in. Press enter. This verification need to get 100%, need to complete it guys. Verification it will start now. This 4% need to get 100% guys. You just want to finish it 100%. After finishing it, you just want to go ahead and restart your PC. After that, go ahead and check whether the Windows security has been resolved or not. Hopefully that can able to resolve guys. That's it for today's video. I hope this tutorial definitely helpful guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.